I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make at least $100 per hour free PayPal money. And as you watch this video to the end, you discover that this is one of the easiest ways of making money online. And before I give you the details and the secrets in this video, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos about making money online, especially with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel, right? Thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will share this video with more people like you. And that's good for algorithms. Thank you very much. Right. Without wasting any more time, my friend, let me show you the website which I'm talking about. The website that I'm talking about is called Respondent. I've referred to this website in my previous video, but I'm going to give you another twist that will put you at an advantage to maximize the earnings that you can get through this website. So it's respondent.io. You see that there's a padlock in the corner. It's a secure website. And if you click the padlock, you see that it says your information, for example, passwords or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to this site. And you see that the certificate is valid, cookies 45 in use. And if you click where it says site settings, you see some more information on this website. It says, get paid to help cutting edge projects come to life. Respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid research interviews. So you can click sign up right there and you're signing up for free. But before you sign up, let me show you some more information. Our researchers are looking for business professionals of all kinds, right? So if you know anything about software development, your hourly incentive is $200. So if you know anything about marketing, right, your hourly incentive is $150. Enterprise software user, $150 per hour. Business owner, $500 per hour. Sales and support, $100 per hour. Executive, $700 per hour. So this is how it works. You create a profile and verify your employment using your work email. Then you get matched. Our marketing algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile. You can also browse projects to participate in. Then you participate in the projects. When invited to a study, you'll be able to select a time that fits your schedule. Then you get paid. Afterwards, get paid automatically via PayPal. This is a free strategy to get some free PayPal money. Respondent will only collect 5% fulfillment fees on the incentive paid. And that's it. Right. So there is another added way you can use to maximize your earnings on this website, right? By referring your friends and colleagues. Sign up as a respondent and refer friends and colleagues to get paid studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. You can learn some more and click that button to sign up. You can click refer friends right there and then you can get more information. Get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to paid research studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. And how much do you get? You get $50 for referring a friend. Once your referred friend has participated and has been paid, you'll be paid your referral bonus. Our average referral bonus is $50 and is paid to you via PayPal. Fantastic. So you get your own kind of a referral link that you use and then you get paid. Stay with me because I'm going to show you a website that you can throw your referral link and maximize your earnings. You click get started, and then you are coming in as a participant. You are not coming as a researcher as such, but you are coming as a participant because you want to be paid for sharing your valuable insights. So you click sign up as a participant right there. You can use your Facebook account or your LinkedIn account to sign up and verify who you are on this website, or you can just stick your email right there and then you sign up. Something important that I want to show you right here. Let me try and sign up. I'm already a member of this site, and I'll show you in a minute my own projects, and I want to show you like I'm coming in as a brand new person. So I'll use a different email. So this is the registration form, and you can see that they require your mobile phone number. And you can see that also they are almost all the countries under the sun, okay? You can check for your country right there, and you put in your mobile number, your mobile phone number, or your cell phone number, right? And you can see that almost every, this is a global opportunity. So you can do this business from almost anywhere in the world, okay? Right? From Zambia, from Zimbabwe, from Yemen, from Western Sahara, Vietnam, you can still jump on this opportunity and start to make money. I'm already a member on this website, so I'm going to log in and I'll see you inside, right? So I've just logged in, and this is what you see when you are through with registration, okay? You can see the projects right here. That one is paying $25, and you can do it in 15 minutes. And that one is paying 15 minutes, $25 in 15 minutes. And that one, $25 in 15 minutes. So you can see that if you do 4 projects, that's in an hour. 4 projects will take you to 60 minutes. That's an hour. So the project is taking 15 minutes and it's paying $25. So 4 of them will give you $100 in an hour. And that's how you're going to make $100 in an hour, my friend. You can get more details as you click. You can click, these are all clickable links, right? You can click them and you get more information, right? It says, Pulse is a research platform for people who want to see how the best finance apps are made. Record and share your experience with us, both the good and the bad, and we can help your bank to build financial products with you in mind. Fantastic. And that's paying $25, 15 minutes, one-on-one. They take 5% incentive on what you get. This is how you're going to make $100 in an hour. Let me show you now where you can take your referral link. You remember, you can make more money by referring friends. Share your link with professionals in your network and get a $20 credit for each referral who completes a project. You can read some more. But then there is also another one. Refer someone to a specific project and get $50 if they are selected and complete a research interview. You can see that there is this other added way you can get money, right? By sharing your link with other professionals in your network. But this one, the $50 one, is by referring someone to a specific project, and then you get $50. And all this money is paid to you via PayPal. And you know that PayPal is one of the best ways of sending or receiving money online. This is my referral link. I'm going to show you now where you can take your referral link and maximize your earnings. You go to a site which is called Trendry.com. And here you're going to throw your link. You can see other people today. Someone has just put up this advert, okay? Want to make a minimum of $500 a day working from the comfort of your own home, right? You click that. And that one, make $5 a day. So what you're doing is you click these links and then get inspired by what these people are saying, and then you can get creative from what they are saying. Then you create your own template, your own advert, so to say, and then you post your link, right? If we were to click, let's click one of these. The first ever app that allows users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. Earn $5 to $1,000, right? And that one, looking to make an extra income online, working 10 to 20 minutes a day. I have a great and incredible site that you can use to earn consistent PayPal money by completing simple tasks for $5 to $1,000 per day. You can just get creative. You don't copy word for word, but you just get inspired and you create your own advert. Then you embed your referral link, and as people are coming to this website and seeing all these, they are going to see your advert. They are going to see your advert among these. If you refer someone to Respondent, you're going to get $50 per referral, right? So for you to get $100, you just need 2 people. If you refer 2 people, it's $100. 4 people, it's $200. And just look at the replies right here now, okay? So this one had 208 views and 15 replies. Just imagine now, if it was you with 15 replies, 15 times 50, that's a lot of money, okay? Pull a calculator, right? So you've got 15 times 50. What's the answer? $750. That one has got 29 replies. And imagine yourself having 29 replies, okay? Calculating. 29 times 50. Answer. That's 1,450. So people are actually active on this website, and you are bringing your referral link for free. And then there are some people who are responding. This is this afternoon's activity. Today. That one is today, 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 today. That one today, yesterday, right? And the list is going on. So you have nothing to lose. You bring your referral link from Respondent onto this website, trendry.com, and then you just allow the internet to work for you. This is how you can make at least $100 per hour free PayPal money on this website called Respondent. If you want to find how to make money online on AutoPilot, just check my #1 recommendation in the description below. So if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next videos. Bye.